Hi guys, it's Kat and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am unboxing this month's Birchbox. If you don't know what Birchbox is, it's a monthly subscription box of beauty items, so makeup, skincare, hair care products. You do get 5 products in this box. You can get full sizes or deluxe sizes, and that is £12.95 monthly. I do leave a link in the description box for Birchbox if you want to go over and have a little look and read some more information about it. So I can't wait to see what is inside this box, so I'm just going to jump right into the video. And here's the design of this month's box. It's so pretty, so many different colours. It's like a marbly watercolour sort of design. Really pretty. The box is a little bit different. It opens up this way, as the other ones you slide the drawer out. And we also have a mirror in this box, so you can keep some makeup in there, and then when you're doing makeup you already have a mirror on the actual box itself, on the lid. Now the first thing I'm going to show you is actually a product that came with the box, but it wasn't inside the box, it was like inside the outer packaging, so the box it arrived in, and it's from the brand Kawaii. I've had a couple of these before, and it's the brush cleaners. So basically what you do is to put your 2 fingers in the bottom, and then you just clean your brushes on these little grooves here, and it just obviously cleans your brushes. So I do think this is an extra treat in this month's box, but you can never have too many brush cleaners. Right, so I'm just going to open it up. I'm just going to read what this month's box is about. So it just says, "Hello Birchboxers. April marks the start of a new season and a chance to embrace a whole lot of spring positivity. Whether you believe in the healing power of crystals or not, we love that feel-good vibe that they represent. So all month long, we'll be reflecting the sparkle that you exude naturally. Why? Well, because you're a gem, of course." That's cute. So we do get May's sneak peek on the back, and we're going to get a Lord and Berry lip liner or eyeliner. The good thing about Birchbox is that you can actually choose which one you want. You just check your emails and they email you, and you get to pick if you want the lip liner or eyeliner. So this one's the ultimate lip liner, and then the line/shade eyeliner. I'll most likely go for the lip liner, as I do think I have got a lipstick from Lord and Berry that lip liner can go with. I'm not too sure, so I probably will go for the lip liner. So here's what's inside this month's box. Already it looks like there's some amazing things in there, and I'm just going to pop it to the side and pick the first product out. So the first product is by a brand I've never heard of, and it says human, and it's got a plus kind skincare with a conscience, and this is the 2-in-1 body souffle. And this is a 30ml tube. So it just says on the back, lightly whipped for the ultimate in kindness, human plus kinds 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle is quickly absorbed to leave your skin feeling super moisturized and soft to the touch. So that's all it says on the back. Let's have a little look at the product. So it's just a white body souffle. It has got a light scent, it's nothing overpowering. And that does feel really nice and moisturising. So now I'm just going to read from the description card. It says, "This lightly whipped cream makes nourishing your body feel like a luxurious task. Massage in the velvety and uber moisturising ingredients to leave your limbs softer than ever with a seriously healthy sheen." So this isn't a full size. The full size is £16.45. So that is the first product. So the next product is by the brand Balance Me, and it's Natural Skincare Wonder Eye Cream. And this is 99% natural, 7mg tube. Gently tap and smooth our triple action eye cream around your eyes to address dark shadows, firm skin and reduce puffiness. So that's all it says about the product on the tube. Let me have a little look and see what it looks like. So again, the product's just a white, and it just goes out into a clear, and it just absorbs straight into the skin. It's got a really nice smell. I don't know what it is. It's kind of got like a coconutty, like flowery smell to it. It's really nice. Okay, so Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream. Perk up your peepers with this wonderful multitasking eye cream using a unique blend of Roman chamomile, virgin coconut, cucumber, rosehip and carrot oils. It depuffs, softens, smooths and brightens. Simply tap and blend the 99% natural cream around your eyes each day and night. Okay, so it's got Chamomile, coconut, cucumber, rosehip and carrot oil. Smells absolutely beautiful. This isn't a full size. The full size is 15 millilitres and that is £20. The next product is one that I'm very much aware of, and its benefits, the Porefessional Pore Primer. And this is a smoothing face primer and it minimises the look of pores. This silky lightweight face primer minimises the look of pores and fine lines and help makeup stay put. Apply to face and blend with fingertips for smoother than smooth skin. Wear alone, under makeup as a primer or over makeup to touch up. And this is obviously a miniature size of 3.0 milliliter tube. I have used this product before and I do like it, so another little miniature is really nice. So this silky oil-free primer diffuses pores and fine lines for an airbrushed finish while keeping your makeup in place. It goes on sheer, leaving skin instantly even and smooth. No wonder it's a UK #1 bestseller. Use it under makeup or dab over the top of midday touch-ups. Now the full size is £28. So the next product is by the brand Vita Masks and it's Diamond Eyes Brighten and Depuff, made with real diamond and caffeine extracts. I love this holographic packaging, it's so cute. Instantly hydrating and cooling eye pads made with real diamond powder to brighten and caffeine extracts to depuff tired under eyes. So you just put these under your eyes when they're dry and clean and you leave them on for 10 to 15 minutes and then just rub in the excess. I do love a good eye mask. The last ones I used were the OK ones and they were like gold. They were really nice and they just made it really smooth and hydrated and nice and cooling as well. So I can't wait to use these eye pads. Whether it's late Netflix filled nights or a tiring commute, chances are your eyes could do with some TLC. Enter this all-star blend of diamond powder and caffeine to hydrate, brighten and depuff. Apply a pad to each under eye, relax for 10 to 15 minutes and voila, all done. And the price for these eye masks are £4.99, so not a bad price. The last product in this box is the sneak peek from last month and it's by Estate and they've teamed up with Birchbox to make this product. It's Do Me Baked Highlighter Powder. And I was able to pick out this colour. I went for Afterglow and it was a purple colour, I think. The other colour was yellow, but I went for purple instead. And here's the highlighter. It's really pretty. I don't think I have like a dark purple like this one. I think I've got maybe like a light purple, but not like a dark purple. And there's the highlighter. Wow, that is stunning when the light hits it. Wow. I'm actually going to apply some of the highlighter onto my face because I haven't got any on, just to see what it's like when it's on the face. That's really pretty. You can kind of see the purple, but it's really pretty. I do like that highlighter. Bam! Estate Cosmetics. The other one was called Lit and it was a yellow colour, but I am glad I got the purple just because I haven't really got purples. So it says that this silky smooth powder brightens and highlights skin in a simple sweep, blending seamlessly and smoothly to give your cheekbones, brow bones or eyes just the right glow. Its baked technology creates a sheer light texture for delicate looking blendable radiance. This is £10. You do get 3 grams in the product. So that was everything inside this month's Birchbox. I am definitely going to be using a lot of these products like the eye masks, the primer. I'm definitely going to use this highlighter, it's stunning. The eye cream I'm definitely going to be trying out as I do have problems with my under eyes. And the body souffle, I do have a lot of body butters and I tend to stick to ones that I know I love. But I'll try and give it a go and see what it's like. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, ding ding. Also come and follow me on my Instagram. It's grammar somewhere down here and it's also linked in my description box so you guys go and check that out. So thanks for watching. Until next time, bye guys.